I'm testing a new device, a small little gadget that can kind of shave off the surface of the wipers. So it's like it claims that it can refresh the wiper blades as long as the blades are not too old and hardened, right? Some may work for you and not for everyone, I guess. So check out this video. So it's gonna shave off one layer of that fine surface away and gives you another fresh layer of rubber or silicone to wipe on the windscreen. So today I'm going to try it out and let's see the before and after result. So I'm going to wash, spray and do a wipe on the screen and we'll see the difference, right? So I guess the result will tell. So leave your comments below. This really helps. It's only like $2, so it's cheap and why not give it a try.